they say Gederame, Gederami, Gederami, Gederame, Gederame. What do that mean? Gederame, 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 or Gederame. Let me know in the comment section. What do that mean? I mean, what does that mean? Excuse me. It's so crazy because they look just like Arabic people, like they really do, and they really look like Iranian people.
او هلبستا خور حتانی ایرو روژجی لبر حز کرنا لخاک و نیشتمان لسر زار و زمان کردین خراسانیه جیای سرما ارزرومه تفدا جنگل و گل و تومه 7 ساله از پیچومه تیمور لنگ لکتیبا منم تیمور جهانگشا.
He said Timuridi? Is that what he just said? Okay. I almost 100% that's what he just said. I'm going to show y'all how I be depicting some of my information without me even speaking the language at all. Pay close attention. I could break down words that I don't you understand or don't never heard of the language before. Some of it.
من خورتن قوچان گلک جسور و گرناس دیتن دماکو من بونا خودی هیز کرنا مورالا سربازن خوا بانگ یک جوان کر وی بجسوریه که بیمیناک و گوت ام خورتن قوچان کار کرنو زحمت کشانا دناو زوی و زارن خدا گلک باشتر و برومتر ج خدمت کرنا به بیهانیان دزانن در آسیدا و جسارتی از حیرمایی کرم من جه پرسی کو هونج چه قومکین.
Isn't he's a Mongol, isn't he? I guess this is the Ottoman. This is definitely an Ottoman.
وی گوت ام کردن.
Hold on, I need to see this. This is the main reason why I even reacted to this, because I've seen this map. Khorasan. So it's really not Kurdistan, it's Urdistan. I bet you in ancient times y'all pronounced it like that at one point in time. So we got Baluchistan, like I know. If you watch my channel, I actually reacted to Baluch music before, which is very, it's like the brothers or Kurds, just in a different province, you know what I'm saying? And if I'm not mistaken, Baluchistan is in Afghanistan or Pakistan, is in one of those two countries. I forget which country it's in though. Okay, so we got the Uzbek, kinda not. But we got Khorasan over the other side of the Uzbeks. That's interesting. But that was just a small population over there. Well, I ain't gonna say small, but they was on the other side of the Caspian Sea. And the main population is spread out throughout Iraq. Mainly Iraq, as you can see, throughout Syria, into the Caucasus, and into, okay, yeah, like Iraq, like I just said. But they go, like, kind of deeper this way. So what's after what's before Iraq going this way? I forget what country it is. That's interesting.
دستپیکا 100 سالا 16 دا امپراتوریا شیعه مذهب یا صفوی
You know one thing that's funny that nobody likes to, I don't know why nobody talks about it, but they show it. When the further back you go, like even modern day traditional attire that they wear, if you really pay attention to the way that is made and the decorations and the embroidery, you know what I'm saying, and just the way that they dress in general, you notice they dress like actual Indians, like period. It's just like that last picture we just seen. They look like nomadic Aryan Indians. And I ain't talking about from India, I'm just talking about just in that region. I believe that everyone looked like some type of Indian back in those times. You know what I'm saying? More Indian looking. Or should I say the attire made you look Indian. You know what I'm saying? And I think that whoever started creating like race and, you know what I'm saying, different terms and stuff like that, started using Indian as that classification, so to speak.
وکر رکبرک سرکیل هم بر امپراتوریا سنی مذهب یا عثمانی دا بونا بلاوگرنا ایدئولوژیا شیعه درکد لوی شر و کشه دا کردستان بوجه شر و پفچون و رکبریا هر دو آلیان لسال 1514 لحرما چالدران باجار
So the Hazaras must be related to them too, or they are Kurds. There are Kurds in Palestine, because I noticed that. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's crazy how people think that things can slip past you, like, just because they in a different country. You know what I'm saying? And I'm starting to notice Kurds in all those regions, like, all by myself. And then people just confirm that I actually know they actually either, you know what I'm saying, Kurdish, Iranian, or Persian. You know what I'm saying? So
آکویی شرکت تند لناو برا هر دو امپراتوریان دا رویدا که به شر چالدران تناس کرن دوی شریدا امپراتوریا عثمانی به سر امپراتوریا ایران دا سرکد انجام دا کردستان ولات کردان دناو برا هر دو آلیان دا خاطا پارو کرن.
I was right. I think their name ties more with it, with the, you take the K off the Kurdish standard and you just, because in modern, what I'm trying to say is, in Persian, you do not pronounce the K like as we pronounce the K in English. So like I said, K, you don't say the K. The K is actually silent. So it should be like what I see right here. It says Urmiya, Urdamiyasi, Urdamiyasi, and then we got Urdamiya. So I don't know, Urdamiyasi is like northern Urdamiya, and that is Urdamiya by itself. We got Mahabad. That's definitely a place that Kurds live still to this day. Now, if I'm not mistaken, that is part of Turkey now. And Sakes, I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly. If I didn't pronounce that correctly, I probably didn't. You know what I'm saying? But excuse me. You know what I'm saying? Oh no. Oh, so is it because of the border? That's weird. Or they actually, okay, so this must be, because this is an old map, Turkey must got more of that part. Because if I'm not mistaken, Mahabad is actually, is in Iran. Okay, I thought it was in Turkey. I don't know